Friends, in this video we are going to derive the formula for a cube minus b cube. Okay, and this formula we are going to derive by using the old formula of a minus b bracket cube. And students, please remember there is a difference between this formula and this formula. You may verify it with few numbers, like suppose 50 minus 1 cube, which is nothing but, according to BODMAS, we will solve this first. 50 minus 1, 49 cube. Okay, you may use the calculator to find the answer, or a minus b cube formula which we learned in the last chapter. So 50 minus 1 cube is equals to 49 cube is one number, and 50 cube minus 1 cube, use the calculator to find out 50 cube, or use the technique of finding cube ending with 0. Okay, actually calculator is not required, but I am giving you liberty because this is not our main aim. Main aim is to derive this formula, and after deriving this you will easily come to know that these two answers are not same, they are always different, and this is true for every natural number. Okay students, so let's derive the formula for a cube minus b cube by using the formula of a minus b cube. Let's write the formula of a minus b cube first. A minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Clear? We are doing factorization, and the technique of finding factorization is take common between two terms. So here we can take common between a cube and minus 3a square b, but we will not. Why? Because this a cube we want in our final answer, as well as this minus b cube also we want in the final answer. So we will not make any kind of changes between this a cube and minus b cube. So let's write them as it is. So a minus b cube is equals to a cube minus b cube as it is. Okay, now we have to find out common between these two. Now between these two terms, let us take this minus 3 common. Okay, between coefficients 3 and minus 3 I have taken common. Between variables a square and a, I can take a common. Between variables b and b square, I can take b common. So what will remain in the bracket? In the first bracket will remain plus a. How plus a? Minus 3a square b is nothing but minus 3 multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by b divided by minus 3 ab, which is nothing but minus 3 multiplied by a multiplied by b. So what will happen? A will cut, b will cut, minus 3 will cut, and minus minus, in the case of division, minus minus plus is the symbol. So our answer will be plus, this symbol will be plus a. So here it will remain plus a. Now 3ab square divided by minus 3ab. 3ab square is nothing but 3 multiplied by a multiplied by b multiplied by b divided by minus 3ab is nothing but minus 3 multiplied by a multiplied by b. So a will cut, b will cut, 3 will cut. So answer is equals to b. Right, but symbols plus minus, one is plus, one is minus. So answer is plus minus, minus in the division. So minus 3ab into a minus b. Clear? So our expression is a minus b bracket cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in the bracket a minus b. Now we have to find out the answer of a cube minus b cube. So let's keep them on its side, or let's isolate them. Let's keep them on one side, and remaining part will change its side. So this minus 3ab into a minus b will change. After changing side, this minus 3ab into a minus b will change into plus. So let's write it as a minus b bracket cube, this minus 3ab after changing side will be plus 3ab into the bracket a minus b. Okay, and on the right side it will remain only a cube minus b cube. Now once again, between these two terms, is it possible to find out anything common? Yes students, a minus b is in the second expression also and in the first expression also. So we can find out a minus b common. So let's write a minus b as common. So and what are we doing while taking anything common? Whatever we have taken common, by that number we are dividing the factors from which we have taken common. So this a minus b cube divided by a minus b will be equals to a plus a minus b square, that will be in the second bracket. So in the second bracket there will be a minus b square. See students, how a minus b square? This is rough area. A minus b, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equals to a raised to m minus n. When we are applying this rule, whenever base is same, and in this example are the base same, a minus b cube divided by a minus b raised to 1. A minus b is nothing but a minus b raised to 1. So base is same, indices are different. So we can use this rule. Hence we have to subtract the indices. A minus b raised to 3 minus 1, which is 2. Hence our answer is a minus b square, which will be in the second bracket. Now plus 3ab minus plus 3ab into a minus b divided by a minus b. 3ab into a minus b is nothing but 3ab multiplied by a minus b divided by a minus b. Same number from the numerator and denominator will cut and only 3ab will remain, right? So here it will remain plus 3ab, which is equals to a cube minus b cube. Now again students, is there anything to possible take common out of the bracket from first and second? No, we have already taken it. Now is it possible to apply BODMAS? Yes, because this bracket is unsolved, right? This bracket is solved, a minus b, their addition subtraction is not possible, multiplication division is not given, a minus b bracket square is given, so that square we have to solve. Let's solve it. What is the formula for a minus b bracket square? I hope your answer is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let's write it. Formula for a minus b bracket square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so this bracket we have solved. We haven't made any changes in the remaining. So let's write the remaining part as it is. This plus 3ab will be as it is. This a minus b also will be as it is, which is equals to a cube minus b cube. Okay students, factorization problems we have to solve unless and until it is possible to apply BODMAS or taking any term common out of the bracket. So taking common already over. Let us see, can we apply BODMAS in the second bracket? A square alone and unlike, minus 2ab plus 3ab, these two are like terms, so their addition subtraction is possible. So let's do it. A minus b, we are not making any changes, keep it as it is. A square minus 2ab plus 3ab, like terms with different symbols, we have to do their subtraction. 3 minus 2, 1, 1ab, symbol of the greater number plus, so plus 1ab plus b square, which is equals to a cube minus b cube. Now students, once again apply BODMAS. A minus b, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, nothing possible, all are unlike. A square plus ab plus b square, all are unlike, addition, subtraction not possible, multiplication, division not given. Okay, applying BODMAS not possible. Can we find anything common between first bracket and second bracket? In the first bracket a minus b, in the second bracket a minus b is not there. Hence this is our final answer. So here students, we got the formula for a cube minus b cube, which is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Let's write it in the formula style. What is the formula style? Normally we write the formula on the left hand side and its expansion on the right hand side. So let's write the formula on the left hand side, a cube minus b cube, which is equals to its expansion a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square on right hand side. Got it, students? Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. I hope you have understood concept explained in this video. You might have learned something new through this video. Friends, if you have liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So every time I will upload a new video, you will get the notifications about it and you will not miss any of the concept of this simple subject. Thank you very much.